Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is based on change of opinion in case of issue of notices under section 148 and reopening of the cases under section 148 without having new tangible material on the file of the assessing officer. The issue in the present case before the Bombay High Court was that whether in the case of a charitable and religious organization, the reopening can be done just on the basis that the donations received by the charitable and religious organization in the form of ornaments has not been converted into the investments which are specified under section 11 subsection 5, or whether the reassessment can be done on the basis that whatever the anonymous donations has been received by the organizations should be taxed under section 115 BBC, especially in the case when the assessment under section 143 subsection 3 has already been completed by the assessing officer and no adverse view has been taken by the assessing officer in the assessment under section 143 subsection 3. This issue has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court in the case of Shri Sai Baba Sansthan Trust Shidri versus Union of India and others. This case is reported in 481 ITR at page number 517 and the date of the judgment is 28th December 2024. The present case relates to assessment year 14-15. In the present case, the assessment of the assessee was already completed under section 143 subsection 3. The assessee has received donation in the hundi in the form of anonymous donations, which is a very regular feature in religious organizations. And when the assessment was completed, no adverse view has been taken against these anonymous donations. And the second issue, which was very well taken care while completing the assessment under section 143 subsection 3 was that the assessee has received the donation in the form of ornaments which were not converted into the investment specified under section 11 subsection 5. After that, when the assessment was completed, the reasons were recorded by the assessing officer and the notice under section 148 was issued to the assessee. The assessee challenged these reasons by filing the objections and the objections were rejected by the assessing officer. So when the matter was before the Bombay High Court, the court said that in the present case, in the case of the assessee, for the subsequent assessment year, the court has already decided in favor of the assessee that the donations will not be taxed under section 115 BBC subsection 2 clause B. And the court said that the reopening just on the basis that the donation received by the organization in the form of ornaments has not been converted into the investments which are specified under section 11 subsection 5 cannot be done. The court said that there is already precedent of the court suspending and restraining conversion of precious metal in any form for auction. Friends, in the present case, the court also had dealt the assessing officer do not have any new tangible material in the hands for reopening of the case, but the department put his version by saying that in the present case, since the reopening is before 4 years, so even the material which is already there on the file can be used for reopening. The court said that this explanation is do not hold good because the law is already settled that for reopening the assessment which is already done under section 143 subsection 3, for reopening some new tangible material should be on file and the reopening is not allowed just on the basis of change of opinion. Friends, in a number of cases it has been seen that in the form of reopening under section 148, the department tries to review the assessment done under section 143 subsection 3 which is not allowed under section 147. So the notice and the order which has which was there for disposing of the objections of the assessee were cancelled by the Honorable Bombay High Court. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shri Sai Baba Sansthan Trust Shidri versus Union of India and others, and this case is reported in 481 ITR at page number 517, and the date of the judgment is 20th December 2024. Thank you, friends.